In this video, I'm building an Arduino device that tells me when my plant needs water. I'll use a soil moisture sensor to detect when the soil is dry and an LED to let me know it's time to water. Let's get started. This is a soil moisture sensor. It's basically just two pieces of metal that measure the resistance of the soil. This is converted into a voltage that the Arduino can read. I connected it like this: VCC to 5 volt, ground to ground, and SIG to A0. I also connected an LED with a 470 ohm resistor to pin 13 and ground. That's my indicator light. I start by opening serial communication so I can see the sensor values on my computer. In setup, I also set pin 13 as an output. That's where the LED is connected. In loop, I read the sensor value on A0 and I print it to the serial monitor. Then I check the value against the threshold. If it drops below 460, the soil is dry and the LED turns on. Otherwise, the soil is moist again and the LED turns off. Then I have a short delay before this repeats. With the sensor already in the soil, let's see what values we're getting. Now I'll add some water. And there you have it, a simple way to monitor your plants with an Arduino. From here, it would be easy to expand. Add a buzzer to play a sound when the plant needs water, or connect a pump so the plant waters itself while I'm away.